A beginner's guide to start a successful YouTube channel for your online business. Hey, get this, every day there are 1 billion hours of videos watched on YouTube. Crazy, right? But get this, only 9% of all businesses have a YouTube channel. 9. I said 9%. In this video I'm going to show you how to start a successful channel on YouTube for your business and actually make money. So you're going to want to stick in there to the very end. You're not going to want to miss any of this. Thanks so much for watching this video, and do me a favor, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down there right now, turn it from red to gray, and ring the bell. Turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I do a new video, or if I go live, and I do go live a lot. You can actually talk to me in the chat section. I'd be happy to talk to you. All right, so let's get into this. This is important stuff. So I think what we'll do is we will run over to YouTube, and I'll do a couple of screenshots here and show you each step, because I want you to know step by step what you need to do. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is visit YouTube. Okay, and while you're logged into the Google account that you already have, you want to use, if you want to use that to manage your account or your brand, then you want to head to the YouTube switcher if you want to do that, but you should see what accounts you already have. Okay, so you're going to see your personal account, any brand accounts you currently manage, and the option to create a new channel. Okay, number 3, when you click on create a new channel, you're going to be taken to a screen to create a new brand account. Now choose a channel name for your new brand account and click create. This can be changed later, so don't freak out over that. Don't worry about it. Okay, number 4, congratulations, you're now the proud owner of a YouTube channel for your business. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create your channel art. Okay, so now that you know how to create YouTube channel for your business, let's take some time to get it looking at its absolute best. Okay, we want it to look good. The channel art is super important. It doesn't have to be complicated, but it's got to look good. It's got to look professional. So we want to do that. When you start a YouTube channel from scratch, your channel icon will be linked to your brand account's profile photo. To change it, YouTube will direct you to update your brand account, just like you see right here. Clicking edit will take you directly to the upload photo screen in your brand account. Then you can pick a photo right here and upload it into your account. It is recommended that you use a picture that is a JPG, a BMP, a PNG, or a non-animated GIF. Okay, save to about 800 by 800 pixels is the optimal amount. Now of course this picture can just be a picture of you if you want. I think mine is just a picture of me. In fact, I know it is. It's a picture of me. But the next thing we're going to get into is the channel art. Channel art's a whole different animal, and it's got to be set a certain way. So let's take a look at that now. Channel art is going to need to be 2560 by 1440 pixels for the best results. Your channel art should be under 4 megabytes, but it should at least be 2048 by 1152 pixels. Okay, but they do recommend, like I say, 2560 by 1440. So YouTube will give you a preview of each image you load to show you how it will display on different devices, so you can edit or crop it, your image, whatever you want to do. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fill out your profile. Your profile is super important, and guys, I know this takes some time, but you only have to do this once, and you can always add to it later on. You just got to get on it. The biggest problem I see is people are going, oh my gosh, it's so much to do, I can't do it, it's just too much work. Just take it a little at a time. You don't have to do it all at once. Okay, just a little at a time. Okay, so the next one of course is going to be your profile, and it's going to say to unlock the customization options for your channel, you'll need to click the gear icon in the section beneath your channel art, okay, which you'll see right here, and then a pop-up titled channel settings will then appear. Look for the customize the layout of your channel option and enable it. Click save. You'll now be given a wider range of options sorted into 5 tabs: home, videos, playlist, channels, and about. Head over to the about tab to edit your store's details. Now under description, give a brief outline of your store, and even though I'm saying brief, I would say make it more detailed if you could. Use up all the characters that you've got. Keep any core elements for your store in mind, and make sure to use them in the channel description to help people find you when they search YouTube. Now be sure to include your contact email as well. Some people will want to contact you through YouTube. You should also include links to your social media accounts in your store, since these links can be set to appear over your channel art and will be highly visible to your audience. Now, most of your links will default to just the favicon, the small image that shows up, okay, and you can see that right here on this banner. So make sure that most of the 30 characters, like 100% pure has done with its shop now call to action. Okay, you can see that right here on the top right hand side. You'll find the section titled featured channel, where you can feature other YouTube channels. I don't do that, that are owned by your brand or managed by your employees. Now, my brands don't go together. My one's survival food, one is how to make money online, so they just don't go together. While this section may not be useful when starting a YouTube channel from scratch, once you expand your YouTube presence, it could be later on. Now, the next thing you want to do is plan your content. That's what it's all about. Okay, it's about people coming here watching your videos, so you want to plan your content. Content is so very important, and understand YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. Okay, it's considered a search engine. People would much rather watch videos anymore, and you can get through a video pretty fast because you can just hit the settings button there, and you can increase it, one time or two times, whatever you want, and watch the video a lot faster. You can't do that on a blog, can't do that reading, can you? But you can on a video, so that's very helpful. But keep that in mind, that you want to have good content. Let's talk about some of the different kinds of content too. The first one is education. Okay, people come to YouTube for education about 60% of the time. They're usually how-to videos, and over the last 13 years, how to search on YouTube has grown 140%. People are going there to learn things. For example, on my channel, people are going to my channel to learn how to make money online. And as you can see from the screenshot right there, I make videos on how to make money online. There's so many added things to making money online. It could be a website, it could be SEO, could be finding products, could be building your audience, could be emailing, but they're all under that how to make money online blanket. The next type of videos you can do is brand storytelling. That's huge. I'll give you an example right now. Let's check out the screen here for GoPro. GoPro has become a leader in this arena with a diverse amount of YouTube content that builds an identity of adventure, exploration, and adrenaline rush. Okay, from helicopter skydiving to a fireman saving a kitchen, its videos showcase the many ways GoPro customers use the products, and brand tagline, be a hero. The next area that people do videos in is entertainment. Entertainment's very, very important. And here's the thing with entertainment, people go there to kind of escape, right? They go there to kind of escape. Maybe they want to watch comedy, maybe they want to watch prank videos, maybe they like watching cooking because it's entertaining to them, but it can also be educational. So don't pigeonhole yourself and say, well, this video is just this. A video can be something that builds your brand, it can be something that's educational, and it can be entertaining at the same time. That's what I'm trying to do right here. We're trying to do all three of those. If we can do all three of those, you're hitting on all cylinders, and that's really important. Next thing, number 5, is create a trailer video for your YouTube page. Do not do a trailer video that says, hello world, this is my first video. Don't do that. Okay, basically what you want to do in a minute or two is just tell them what they're going to get if they subscribe to your channel. That's a really good one because you're getting people to subscribe and they're learning about your channel, so it's a really simple thing to do. Now here's an example of a Shopify channel right here, and they've got their trailer right there, but here's the steps. Basically, upload the video you want to be on your channel trailer. That's it. Go to the channel you want to manage, select customize channel, go to the home tab, click the for new visitors tab, click edit, and select change trailer or remove trailer. When you're creating your trailer video, think about what makes your channel unique, your brand personality, and why people should subscribe to your channel. There is no one right way to make a YouTube channel trailer, but start with trying to hook your visitors in the first few seconds. Make a good impression on videos and finish off with asking them to subscribe to your channel. Okay, we've got that far. What's next? Let's upload your first video. Okay, let's get your first video up. I think this is the most earth-shattering part, is getting your first video up. my first video was awful. Don't go back and watch that one, please, but it was awful, and understand yours probably will be too. Now maybe you're great at this and it won't be, but for the most part, most people, their first video is awful. And I think a lot of people won't upload their first video because they're afraid it's going to be awful. Understand, it will be awful. It's okay to be awful. It's okay. Do it. Just upload the video. Number 7 is optimize your video. Do the SEO, do your titles. I have other videos on my channel you can watch on this. The titles, the meta tags, all your keywords, your description, make sure all that is done properly. Understand that every minute 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube. If you're going to compete with these other people, you've got to do the SEO on your video. And I'll put a link to mine right below here where you can actually see a link to a video where I show you how to do that. Now once you've got your videos up and loaded, it's time to engage. You cannot, let me repeat, just post videos and never engage with your audience. I like to pin a comment at the top right below my video so that I can ask people a question so I can get them engaging. Now the truth be told, in the beginning you won't have too many people engaging, but you want them to. You want to ask them to subscribe. Hey, subscribe, by the way, and ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so that you are notified every time I do a video, and make sure you like it. See what I just did there? Those things are important. And I also ask you to comment below. What'd you think of this video? What did you get out of it? And you want to respond to these people when they comment on your video. When they say something to you, they're reaching out to you, and if you don't comment back, they're not going to reach out to you anymore. You stopped it right there. Okay. What I like to do is I like to comment back with a question. So if somebody's saying I don't, I had a comment, I just thought of a comment I had, somebody said, how do you add an unsubscribe button to the emails I send out in Kartra? And I'm got to respond to them, and basically Kartra automatically, and if you don't have Kartra, by the way, you can watch a video below on Kartra. You're going to want to check this out, but Kartra automatically puts an unsubscribe on their emails. So I'm going to respond to them. I'm going to say Kartra automatically puts an unsubscribe on your emails. But my question to you is, are you using Kartra, and what do you think of it? Now why would I do that? I would do that because I've answered their question, but then I've asked them another question, which gets them to ask me another question or answer that question, and in doing so I increase the engagement. You have to engage with your audience. I know you don't want to. I know it's tough. I know it's sometimes boring, it's tedious, but it has to be done. Because the other thing is, if they post a comment on one of your videos and you don't respond, obviously they're not going to comment again, but it also tells other people that you don't respond. And if they see that you don't respond, guess what they're not going to do? They're not going to put comments on your videos. Now why do you want comments? Because YouTube loves interaction. If you have interaction, that tells YouTube that people like your videos. You gotta respond to the comments, and you got to get them to engage with you. Okay, so that gives you a brief overview on starting your channel. I hope you do it. Remember, only 9% of all businesses do it. That's a shame, only 9%. But the good thing is, since only 9% do it, it helps you because the competition isn't doing what they're supposed to do. Okay, get that YouTube channel started. Let me know how it works out for you. Put your comments below. Let me know how your YouTube channel worked out. Did you get some good results? Do you need some more help? Put that question down there too. I'll be happy to answer you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I go live or I upload a video just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.